so it's not destroyed, just a little bit disheveled. But this is the perfect opportunity for me to show you how I made it. So I start off with this big old jar that I found at a bargain store. Now I didn't like this twine wrapped around the top, so I've got this burlap ribbon. I tied it up all nice like that. Put it on top, see? Like that. For the best part, this is the sunflower. I got this at Cracker Barrel. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy some floral foam. I got this stuff here. I have a hole in the middle. Now I need some way for this to sit inside here, right in the very center, so it's coming right up out of the middle and not listing to one side or the other. So to hold it in place, I had this tube. Now this happened to be just packaging for a set of lights, but it fits in here perfectly. So all I did is I put some clear tape on the bottom of this tube. And I put it right in, straight down the center. I did somehow. Right in the middle. All the way straight down in. Then I got my beads, or stones, or rocks. The idea is that I'm going to bury this tube so you don't see it. Cool thing is the tube takes up most of the space, so you don't need as many stones. That'll save you some money. Okay? Cut another piece of foam, just so it barely fits in here. You're gonna wedge it down in there to keep the stem from rocking back and forth and leaning from one side or the other. So we're gonna put that on. I'm gonna have the stem go right in that hole in the middle. This is not fun. Middle finger to the rescue. Now you put the foam in first. That in there, and then you wedge this down in, just so you can't see. You don't want to push it so far that it goes all the way through. There you have it, my beautiful sunflower standing strong and tall yet again.